Hi there. Did you know you can attract an array of wildlife into your yard by growing native plants? I started small. About 6 years ago, I dug up a few milkweed plants from a local nursery and I planted them. And I also bought a few saplings of purple coneflowers, planted these as well. And then the next year, I got a bonus. The wild sunflower and the tall bone set came up on their own. You didn't have to plant them. So that's all there is to it. They come up every year. Best part of growing these native plants is that they are self-sustaining. They're drought resistant, which means I didn't have to water them. I let them be throughout the year because during the season they attract monarch butterflies and other beneficial insects. But during winter, lots of birds like the goldfinch and the dark-eyed junco simply love to feed on the seeds. Do visit a native plant nursery in your town and create your own sustainable native habitat.